Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I am joining in the hashtag 2crafters1design hosted by Mo Creations and Gloria at Girlia's Cards. I will link both of their channels down below. This week's challenge was to use a Christmas tree. Here is my project. Let me show you the supplies that I used. I used this Christmas tree die. I believe this was from AliExpress a couple of years ago. I used Dossarella stamps, the Oh Christmas Tree for the sentiment. These hill dies from Lawn Fawn. This paper stack ice crystals for the papers. And let me show you the inside. I stamped it with this stamp and I have these little cutout deers. This is the little cutout of the deers. This also came from AliExpress. I used the Tim Holtz Distress ink to stamp the Oh Christmas Tree. Also have these vellum snowflakes on here, and I used this little snowflake punch and this sentiment stamp for the inside. Again, here's my entry for 2crafters1design. Use a Christmas tree. This card is actually going out to Sharon at Cheap to Chic. This is going into the Christmas swap package that I'm sending her way. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day.